Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a very important mental tool, a life skill which is very essential for our emotional well being. To begin with, let me ask you a few questions. Do you find it tough to say no to others? Your friends tell you that you're too nice, you cannot just stand up for yourself. You get irritated with the fact that your child keeps moaning, his friends take his favorite stationery, and he just can't do anything about it. योर कॉलीग आस्क्स फॉर अ फेवर, आप बड़ी मुश्किल से उसकी हेल्प कर देते हो, बट एज़ यूजुअल एट द एंड ऑफ इट यू रियलाइज़ कि आपके एफर्ट्स को एक्नॉलेज ही नहीं किया जाता. यू ऑलवेज टेकन फॉर ग्रांटेड. If your answer is yes to any of these, then you need to bring a change. And the change that we're talking about is assertiveness, the art of saying no to others. Assertiveness is not aggressiveness. We are not talking about being rude here. We are talking about a positive approach which comes with a positive body language, a firm eye contact, and helps others to know that what you're saying matters. So learn to set boundaries. Make some things very clear. People should know what kind of behaviors are totally unacceptable. They can't just always walk over you. Passive behavior stems from a very low self esteem. Learn to love yourself. Applaud yourself for all the qualities that you have. You're forgiving, you're nice, you're loving, you're acceptable, you are helping others all the time. So, these are the qualities that really matter in life. If you're teaching this to your child, which you must, assertiveness is an important tool for children. When they enter teenage, it becomes very difficult for them to say no to others. Under the peer pressure to be a part of a clique or a group, they sometimes just comply with requests which are not very positive. So teach them from a tender age, which helps them to avoid bullying in the school and in the environment around. Role play it with your partner, enact it out so that the child gets an idea what needs to be done in real life situations. If you find it very tough, then rehearse it. Plan it out with a friend who's supportive, who knows about you. Rehearse it in front of a mirror. Learn to comply or not to comply to little requests so that it becomes easier to be assertive in real life situations which are emotionally and mentally taxing for you. So happy learning. Have a nice day.